Franklin starts to poop on the road.
Stick the orange in a glass.
Stick the orange in the glass.
Stick the orange in the glass.
Here I dance.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. Anime.
Did you know that most
Orange
occur
in the
Parachute. Stop.
Are you joking? No.
Parachute.
6, 7.
I don't wanna say goodbye, cause this one means,
I'm about to come.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah.
It's so stupid.
Yeah.
She said it's our orange juice.
Stick the orange in the glass. Yeah.
Hey, is it okay if I can get your number? Yada yada funk.
Ew, you're probably broke. Wait, is that your car? Can I get your number?
Actually, yeah, this is my car, and sorry, I don't date gold diggers.
Send me one more fucking video, and you'll end up in one of these. We don't want that to happen now, do we, Lil Bro? I know where you live.
GG and Nick.